Hi there, welcome to my Peekaville. In this video, we will learn all about my Peekaville, from customizing your avatar, playing mini games, going on quests, to collecting berries. Let's get started. When you log in, the feelings check-in will pop up. It will be there every time you log on. You'll want to click on how you are feeling at that moment. This helps you notice and name your feelings. If you hover over each icon, you can hear the feeling said aloud. Click on the question mark to learn more about each feeling. You might need a second to figure out how you are feeling. Click Take a Break or Take a Breath to go through an exercise that helps you figure out how you are feeling. If you click Journal, you can see how you've been feeling the whole week. If you need to change how you are feeling, you can click the check-in button and go to current mood and change how you are feeling. When you do a feelings check-in, you can get 5 berries every day for your first feelings check-in. Before we talk about your quests and playing mini games, let's first go through some important features. If you click the wheel in the top corner, you can see that there's an on and off button to turn on the background music and an on and off button to turn off the voice. If you like the character reading along with the text, keep the microphone clicked on. If you want to read on your own, turn off the microphone. Let's take a look at some other fun features. If you click on your avatar, you can customize it to look however you would like. Click on the color wheel to change the color. So now I'm in the face. I can change my hairstyle and color. I can change my eye style and color. If I go to body, I can change my skin color. If I go to tops, I can see there are 3 options: bottoms, shoes, and the stars accessories. If you would like to have more outfits, you can get them at the Style Shop. The Style Shop is where there are all the clothes, and based on how many berries you have, you can buy different accessories. Let's talk about berries. The number next to this berry here shows how many berries you have. You earn them for completing quests and playing mini games, and also doing a feelings check-in once a day. You can use them in the Style Shop. You can get to the Style Shop by clicking on your avatar and then clicking the Style Shop button, or on the map, you can see the Style Shop is next to the library. The backpack right here is called your Peekapak. If you open it up, it helps you remember what you have to do. You can see here, I'm looking at Leo's quest. You'll be taken through a series of steps to help one of the Peekapak pals. If you complete the quest, you become their friend. Then you get to visit their home. So you can see here are all the quests that I still have to complete. And that this is my checklist for Leo's quest. If I click on Player's Room, this is my room right now. It's a little bit blank, but it'll become more filled in as I do more activities. I can change the color of things immediately though, so you can decorate and personalize the room a little bit. I got to my room by clicking on the backpack and then clicking on Player's Room. In my Peekaville, the games are in the buildings on the map. They have a game icon near them. You can see there's a game icon next to these different places, and that means there's a game there. They are open for you to play at any time. The more quests you complete, the more games you play. If you see a building that sparkles, this is a fresh game for you to play. If you hover over a building and you see a white line, let's see if we can find one like that. This is a game that you've played before, but can always play again. And this will show me the game and give me directions. Now, you may have noticed that there's an orange arrow blinking down by a character. This shows me that there's a new quest for me to complete and a new friend for me to make. So this is for Leo's quest. You'll click the character next to the arrow and you'll be taken through a series of steps to help one of the Peekapak pals. Once you complete the quest, you become their friend, and then you can visit their home. If I go over here to books, this is the library. You can see all of the books in Peekapak, and you have access and are able to read any of them that you would like. You can earn berries by reading books. Have fun learning with the Peekapak pals. We'll see you in Peekaville.